Today we will build an AI agent with interactive UIs via the Data Science app. In Gen AI Models, we click on Create New and assign an ID to our agent. In this example, we also give it the name Shopping Assistant. We will only skim over the details of Definition, Model, and Toolkit tabs in this video. For detailed information about those, please visit our YouTube channel and watch the video Build Actionable AI Agents in 2 minutes with Rierino. Now we switch to the Prompts tab. Here, we can define prompts by giving them an ID, a name, a template, which contains the instruction logic the agent will follow, and optionally a description. We will create 2 prompts here, one for adding a product to favorites and another for submitting checkout information. Each template represents a specific task our agent can perform and how that task should be handled. For checkout, we define the contact fields the agent will collect and submit. We then enable Use Interfaces and click the plus button to add our first interface. We enter the ID and name it as Product Listing. To configure the details, we go to the Related Schema tab. Here, we will be defining the object schema that will be provided to this interface. After that, we switch to the UI tab. We press Add and put a $sign to the schema path. This indicates the root of the schema. Then we select the Handlebars display widget and write our Handlebars template code. When the UI is ready, we click Apply. Now that the product listing interface is ready, we can attach actions that allow users to interact with it. We switch to the Actions tab and add a new action called Add to Favorites. For this action, we define the API configuration that will be triggered and provide a template that tells the agent how to respond once the action is executed. This links the interface directly to backend logic. Now let's add another interface named Product Detail in order to display more detailed information when a user selects a product. In the Schema tab, we define the structured data this view will receive, including the product attributes that will be displayed in detail. In the UI tab, we define how those details are rendered, following the same pattern as before. With the schema and layout defined, the interface presents a complete product detail view that users can explore and interact with easily. Finally, we will build a fully custom checkout interface using our own widgets. We'll call this UI Checkout Address. Within this custom interface, we begin shaping the checkout form by defining a field called Type and attaching a Select Editor widget to it. Since this is a selectable field, we specify its available options, such as Home and Work, each with its own unique identifier. This ensures the address information is captured in a structured and controlled way before we add additional fields. Let's create another field called Contact Number. This one will have Text Editor as its widget, and it will only have a width of 6 in order not to occupy unnecessary space. Let's test it by asking it to list us red shoes. We can click on one of the results and see its details. With just a few configuration steps, we've built an AI agent that responds through structured, interactive experiences.